Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today I am going to show you how to cook the very tasty and everybody's favorite restaurant style chili chicken recipe. See how tempting it is. Watch the video till the end. I am going to give you every single detail of this recipe, guys, so that you can also make this recipe at home easily and enjoy. If you are first time watching my channel or still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. Let's start the process. The ingredients are half kg boneless chicken chopped into small pieces like this, oil for deep fry, and also 2 tablespoons of oil for the chili chicken, 1 cup of onion diced into big pieces like this, and half cup of capsicum diced into big pieces. I am using red capsicum, you can also use green capsicum, and 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, few chopped green onions for garnishing, and 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 4 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste, and 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. This is homemade tomato ketchup, guys. You can see this recipe link in the description below, and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Take 5 green chilies and dice them into big pieces like this as shown. By cutting like this, they look different like restaurant style. And we need 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, maida, and we need 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. Take the chicken, add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Now add the garlic ginger paste and add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. And now add the all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Keep 1 tablespoon of corn flour aside for later. Now crack in the egg. Mix everything until well combined. Now cover the lid. Keep this aside. Let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of marination, heat up the oil for deep frying the chicken. Put the flame on medium. Now carefully drop the chicken pieces one by one as shown. Fry the chicken until it turns to golden brown color and perfectly cooked from inside. Now carefully turn the chicken so that it will cook evenly. It takes 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame depending on the chicken. See guys, the chicken cook ready. Now take them onto a plate. See, I will cut and show you. See, the chicken perfectly cook ready from inside also. Take a saucepan, let it heat up. Now put 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. Put the flame on high, guys. Then only the smoky smell come to our chili chicken. When the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. Saute them for 20 seconds on high flame. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Now add the onion pieces. Saute them for 10 seconds. Keep stirring. Now add the capsicum pieces. and the green chilli. Saute them for 30 seconds on high flame. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and the remaining pepper powder. Mix quickly. Now add the chili sauce and the tomato ketchup. Mix quickly. Now lower the flame. Now add 4 tablespoons of water to the remaining 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well without lumps. Now add this and give a stir quickly. See, the cornstarch thickened, guys. Now add the chicken pieces. Mix until well combined. Cook for 30 seconds on low flame so that the chicken will absorb the gravy. Now add the remaining 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix gently. Cook for another 30 seconds on low flame. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Finally add the chopped green onions. Give a stir and then turn off the flame. That's all, guys. The very tasty, mouth-watering and everybody's favorite restaurant style chili chicken is ready. Hope you guys like this recipe. You also try this recipe at your home and let me know how it come in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.